Hi guys! So for today's video, sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung benefits ng GCash Visa Card. So yun nga no guys, natanggap na po natin or nakuha na natin yung in-order nating GCash Visa Card via GCash app. So yun nga dun sa previous video ko guys, ito yun, ilalagay ko dito. Yan, nandyan po yung previous video ko kung paano nga po ba makapag-order ng GCash Visa Card. And it costs 185 pesos yung mismong card plus 65 pesos na delivery fee, which totals to 250 pesos. So kung nagbabala kayong kumuha ng GCash Visa Card, kailangan nyo muna ng magkaroon ng balance sa inyong GCash card, sa inyong GCash account ng 250 pesos. So yun guys, ito maki-quick ano lang tayo, punta tayong profile and then click sa my link accounts and then GCash card. Ayan, process na siya guys. And then scroll down, ito makikita nyo itong order a card. Then click natin yung send me a card. Ito. Ayun, medyo malahaba pa sa send me a card. And then ayan na siya guys. Ina-next mo lang yan, then ilalagay mo dyan yung necessary information mo. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Ayun, hindi siya maano. Basta yun, necessary information mo. Kung gusto nyo mapanood yun guys, eto ilagay nyo dito. Ay, i-click nyo to muna bago nyo to panoorin. So, yun na nga guys. Nakuha na natin ng ating GCash Visa Card. So, ang una natin gagawin is ililink natin ito guys sa ating GCash app. So, yun. Ito siya. From Ninja Van. So 65 pesos po ang delivery fee here. So nag-request ako ng Visa card noong August 16 and then na-receive ko siya yesterday, which is August 21. So ayun na guys, ito siya guys. Oh. Ito siya, pakita ko sa inyo. So ang nakalagay dito is discover a new way to pay with your GCash card. Cashless and convenient. Shop at over 100 million merchants in over 200 countries anywhere Visa is accepted. Tap to pay, shop online and withdraw your funds anytime, anywhere. Also, no signal or mobile data, just tap to pay with your GCash card. So yun yung isang unang benefit ng GCash Visa Card, wherein you can be able to use it to every online shops. Or kapag nagmamall ka, pwede mo na lang ibigay yung card mo and yun na yung magiging mode of payment mo. So, para rin siyang debit card guys. Yun yung kinagandahan nitong GCash Visa Card. And it is accepted in over 200 countries since this GCash Visa Card is powered by Visa. And then, lock and unlock your card to keep it secure on the GCash app. Which is mamaya gagawin natin yan. Then shop abroad with low forex. Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo in my previous video na low ang forex exchange here, wherein mas mapapamura ka lalo na kung pupunta kang ibang bansa at gagamitin mo itong card na to. And zero convenience fee, which is very good kasi walang convenience fee na babayaran. And then no bank account needed or documents needed for fully verified users. So ang kinaganda nito guys, makakapag-open ka na ng bank account na kung saan hindi mo na kailangan magpasa pa ng necessary documents as long as you are fully verified. So yun, never share your pins with anyone. Your 6-digit card pin is different from your 4-digit MPIN. Please protect and secure your card pin and MPIN, do not share. So meaning guys, itong GCash Visa Card is may pin din. Just like yung mga debit cards or mga savings account na meron tayo. So yun na guys, open na natin siya. Sorry, medyo sira-sira. Yun, andito yung unboxing vlog natin guys. So yun, open na natin siya. Hindi ko rin kasi sure kung paano to buksan. So ayun, before tayo mag-proceed dito sa card, ito yung card oh. Ayan, may nakalagay ditong steps. Ayan, get started with your GCash card. So number 1 is open GCash and tap view all. Second, tap card. Third, tap link a physical card. Fourth, enter your card details. Fifth, nominate your 6-digit card PIN. And 6, success, your GCash card is now linked and ready to use. So yun na nga guys, ito na ating yung GCash card. And ang kinagandahan nito guys, nandito pwede natin siya ma-customize kung ano yung gusto nyo ipalagay doon sa mismo yung card. So, just like ito, guys, ayan. Makita nyo yung name ko nandito, Mon Jared Garduque, which is personalized siya. And kung ano, and additional lang guys, pwede nyo pa pala ito ipa-personalize kung ano yung gusto nyo ipalagay dito na pangalan. And then, yung nasa likuran guys, wait, tatakpan ko muna kasi medyo ano to. So, nakalagay dito yung card number, and then, yung ating virtual account number and expiry date, and also, yung ating 3-digit code na dapat ito, pinakainingatan natin to kasi pag may mga scammer, nalaman yan, pwede nilang maggalaw yung account. Ayan siya guys, ito yung likod. Ayan. So, ayun na guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is ililink na natin. Since nasabi na natin yung benefits nito, na you can use it to in over 200 countries all over the world. So yun guys, let's open our phone. So shares, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So yun guys, let's open our GCash app. So pumunta lang ang App Store and then sinearch ko yung GCash to open our GCash account. After nyan guys, kailangan po natin i-enter ating MPIN to open our GCash account. And then, we need to go to Profile and then My Link Accounts. Then, click the GCash card. And then, scroll down. Then, go to Link My Card since ililink na po natin siya. After nyan, hihingan po tayo ng authentication. After which, ilalagay po natin dito yung last 4 digits of the card and virtual account number na makikita po natin sa ating GCash Visa card. After po natin ma-insert ang mga informations or yung mga numbers na hinihingi dito, need po natin ulit mag-verify. So, hintayin na natin siya guys. Pagka next po natin, ayun, your GCash card is linked. So, ibig sabihin guys, na-link na po natin yung ating GCash Visa card. And also, maglalagay din po tayo ng 6-digit card PIN na desired po natin. After nyan, na-link na po natin ang ating GCash Visa card. So, ganun lang po siya kadali guys. So guys, yun na nga, na-link na natin siya sa ating GCash app. So ayun, punta tayo sa My Link Accounts and then sa GCash card. So kung makikita natin dito guys, ayan, nakita ka na rin, ayun o, GCash Visa. So click lang natin yan. Makita na natin dito yung status natin guys. Ayan, makikita mo dito yung reset card PIN, yung lock card, and then card status na active, and then virtual account number. So ganyan lang siya kadali guys, diba? So yun lang guys for our video. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to comment down below para masagot natin yun guys. So yun lamang po, paalam, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para maging updated ka sa aking mga videos. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye!